Saving the crepe myrtle, right?
Saving the crepe myrtle.
Oh, jeez.
What day is this?
I don't remember. February the something. I'm out here barefooted.
Barefooted?
Yeah. Oh, man.
You're doing great.
Huh?
You're doing great.
You think?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for saving our crepe myrtle. How long has it been snowing?
Like 20 hours, 23 hours, something.
23 hours. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So can you fade this thing off?
What's that?
Can you fade it off, or just it's just on and off?
Yeah, it's just on and off.
Okay, so tell me something about this snow.
I don't know. It's kind of a heavy snow.
Just
All
say.
right, I think I saved the tree, don't you?
Okay, say something to the camera. No, you gotta show your face.
Wow. Snowiest winter I've ever seen.
All right. Good night.
Good night. Step off of here.